kills win. Kills are when you hit people 2 times. You have 10 minutes. You're not starting it.
Yes, it was in 10 minutes.
Yep. And you can fight to the death. Everyone go to that.
No.
3, 2, 1.
You guys' dinner is in 10 minutes.
Yeah, go. Oh, Xander's found a raptor strike. But it's clogged. Can he find a weapon? Can he find a weapon?
What is this gun even used for?
It's a Nerf gun.
It's actually getting darts.
That was the joke. Okay, fight. Miss. You out of ammo. Oh, he's got a dog bone launcher. The one OP is clogged. Can he find a different weapon? Looks like he can. But there's no ammo. Oh, he's got a nice blaster. Looks like he's got it. Oh! He got a hit. Miss. Oh! Oh, we got the other OP weapon. He's really near it. Oh, he's got it! Oh! He's missing all over!
Shut up.
Okay. Can he fire? First till I say over wins. Miss, miss. Misses by Xander. Oh! Stop shooting the cameraman. That's a hit for Xander. Hit for Carter. Holy moly, these bullets are flying. That's a hit. 2 hits for Xander. Carter's got 1. He's got to get ammo. Find it or find the extra loot. You can find more guns by finding. I know there's more guns left. There's going to be a dropout. There's going to be a payload in the middle. Sniper coming down. Who wants it? Carter? Sniper? Xander gets the sniper.
If he wants.
You want a sniper? You got a sniper. Good job. There you go. It needs ammo. Oh, he's firing! Who's going to fire first? And he misses! He is a missing guy!
I didn't shot yet.
Oh! Skinned! That hit him alright. He got 5 hits! He fell! 6, 7, 8! Carter's out of ammo! He's got...
It takes to kill someone?
Until I say stop. Xander's got 10, you've got 2. Can he get the ammo and scavenge to fight? You can't dump it on him, that doesn't count. Oh, he's got a bunch of ammo. Xander gets plus 5 hits. He's trying to fire with a laser gun. Hate to break it, but that's not gonna work. He needs a gun! He needs a gun! And quick! There's just buckets of... Blaster dropping in middle. Who wants? 3-shot blaster. Think. Oh, he's using the sniper. That's a hit. 3 hits. Oh, he's taking the blaster. He needs more ammo. Miss. First one that touches this gun is going to be by the way. Yeah. Wait, my thing. Carter gets -1 hit. Oh my god. I'm out of ammo. Oh! Flash! And you have 5 seconds to find a blue dart, and you get